like just to know me. Never since the day you approached me, I've been thinking about you and you only. And we just like a fuck, that's nothing else. You know, I'm falling in love, that's for someone else.
I'm gonna show y'all how I'm doing this twist out on my natural hair using 3 products. 3. One of them being water. Hot or cold, however you want it. I use hot because I don't want to eat cold. I don't want to eat cold. It's cold outside. Water, number 1. Whatever mousse you want. I'm using this one. I'm using Lotta body mousse. I put it in this spray bottle, this pump bottle. Mind you, I have 4C hair. I washed it. I didn't blow dry it or nothing. This is also how I'm detangling it because I can't blow dry it. My arms are too weak to blow dry. So I'm using this blueberry Bliss curl control jelly. They also got like this curling cream I got, but I'm not using that. I'm just using this. It smells so good too. Y'all can see. And I'm just doing 2 strands. First thing you do, saturate with water. Okay. Oh, let me show y'all what brush I'm using to detangle. So you can use like any brush, like a if you have a Demon, paddle brush, whatever brush you want to use. But I'm using this Conair brush. It's like a small little brush, a small paddle brush to detangle it. So after it's saturated, you want to apply your mousse generously. See, that's 6 pumps. Apply that. You see how it's like sitting on top, like the middle is like still not moussed. And put on some more and like spread it through the hair, so it's not just sitting on the top and the bottom. So you want to be real generous with this part. Okay, so the mousse is in there. Mousse is through the hair. Then grab your curling cream. I don't have a set amount. I just put like a big glob. Jelly texture. And I rub it in my hand. And then I just coat it through the hair. Section it off. So I'm starting in the back, work my way up to the front. You see, I haven't detangled my hair, so I gotta section it off like this. So I got a section, and I'm gonna pin this over so it's not in my way. Okay, so take the section, grab your brush, work from the ends to the root. See the curl forming? See the wave? Like, period. You want to make sure you detangle it really good. Okay, get up to the roots. And boom. And now I twist it. So I twisted just 2 strand twists, one after the other. I twist the end with my finger, and here's the first twist. Y'all see this side already shrink. Obviously your hair is gonna shrink, you apply water's work. This side is still pretty long, but yeah, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna show y'all again, but I'm gonna keep going. Okay, so I'm done. Now I gotta blow dry it. I'm about to take these twists out now. It's literally been 2 weeks since I put them in. Just unravel it, and then I'm gonna separate it. Some oil. Rub it all over all of the hair, because you about to take it all out and you don't want it to be frizzy. So yeah, like I was saying, like I had these in for like weeks, so yeah, I do have buildup on my scalp, but we still gonna separate. Just taking a section and parting it apart. It parts itself apart, really. This Meow moisturizing milk is from that rice water collection. I'm gonna just put a little bit in my hand and just use it to fluff. Shake it. Period. Here's how you do a twist out. Oh, I had this one little piece I'm gonna separate. Here's how you do a twist out. And this is not like a regular 2-strand twist out. Y'all see the curls? Like, it looks good. It's like different textures. It look good. Period. So if y'all like this video, give it a thumbs up. Subscribe down below for more. I'm gonna put everything I use in the comments down below. Yeah, I really like the way my hair turned out. Wish I had time to put on some makeup, but it's okay.